everyone, I'm Suvarna Sanaja Ponnada, pursuing my MBA in AIMS IBS Business School. I'm a batch of dream chasers. Today, I'm here to discuss an important company which is called Jaipur Rug Foundation related to rural marketing. So let us see what is this Jaipur Rug Foundation about, how they are empowering women, how they are empowering their village in order to get the more profit and sustainable business.
So let me tell you, Jaipur Rug Foundation is one of the extraordinary example for bottom of the pyramid concept. Harvard University itself have studied about their rugs and as well as their high supply chain management concept. And I can also say that the story of Jaipur Rugs and how they were able to be so successful. In 1978, Nandakishore Chowdhury, who was popularly known as Bhai Saab, you can look up to him. He writes, he tweets, he is quite media savvy but very traditional in his priorities and approaches. He started a business by taking a loan of 5,000 from his father to set up a rugs manufacturing business in Churu, Rajasthan. That is a kind of health and ecological hazard people of that location where it has high humidity. So he started a small business with 2 looms and 9 weavers in the courtyard of his house in order to make rugs and carpets. 40 years has been a stage where he started these rugs, but now it has 7,000 weavers and 40,000 artists and who are providing across 40 countries for their services and giving their products. And how is that possible? The whole objective and the whole business is stakeholder centric. The objective was to empower the rug makers and the local people and to make profitable and sustainable business. So the first thing was training. Jaipur Rugs would provide training to the local people for free of cost. In fact, they would get some stipend, and also once the training was over, they will be given opportunities to make these rugs at 3,000 to 4,000 and at least 14,000 a month, which was nearly 30% of above what they would have earned if they do the other businesses. In an orthodox Rajasthan family, women were never given an opportunity to take decisions. But once the women were coming and doing their employment and earning, they have given a huge opportunity for their decision making and respect have been given to the people. It's not only empowering the company or the location, but also it's empowering the women. 2/3 of the Rajasthan women were started earning by this Rajasthan and the people of Jaipur with these rugs. They have been part of decision makings in their families. Jaipur Rugs have used a competency of skills at the people at the base level of the pyramids and having their skills utilized for their products. It's one of an important management strategy that has been implemented by Jaipur Rugs because the people of the rural are highly committed and also there are a lot of chance of empowerment. And it is also one of an important value and supply chain of their company, which has a phenomenal growth. And the second thing is they wanted to create value for their customers. They have given customers a high expensive products. So the customer centric of Jaipur Rugs is to provide a super quality and silk in manufacturing their rugs. They communicate to the customers that this is a quality product because the rugs we take usually 1 or 2 to 3 years. How do you tell them that it lasts 3 years? How do you tell them that it lasts a long? So they use the high quality and supreme quality products and supreme quality raw material to create their rugs. I have a personal experience where we used to have a rug in our home. It lasts a long and my father purchased it in and around of North India somewhere near Jaipur, and till today I use that in my home. They also create a customer centric in their customers' mind using the yarn on the cotton products. And there were also high level designers who come from Western audience, and that will also be provided by the Jaipur Rug. What they would do along with the carpets is they send the photograph of the family who manufactured their carpets. So that particular family in Texas and New York will be get to know who manufactured these products for them. So this creates a loyalty and also a trustworthiness.
So you can see how a big social enterprise has using all the principles of management and using their core objective. They never miss their objective. Their high customer centricity and also being loyal to the customers and helping the rural villages have always been a major point for the Jaipur Rug Foundation. And they never went on losses. They have been given 150 crores profit in the recent years. So we can see that this is what happens when you use the rural level and low base pyramid concept, when in an organization is using high sustainable development companies coming forward and helping the rural people and also as well as developing the rural India, which is a center part for the Indian development economy. Thank you. Hope this video helps and thank you so much for watching. This is Suvarna signing off.